siya, especially with Kim na kasi nagkasama ko sa Star Magic tour.
Okay, well, ako excited. The whole tour in general, excited na ako. Kasi ang tagal ko na rin hindi nakakabalik sa States. More than a year, maybe. And finally, this time, I have a whole new set of friends na I can share it with, diba? Especially sina Mateo, Maha, Kim, and others, all the other Star Magic artists. Na, yun, excited ako because it's a home experience.
Wala bang plan na kayo lang na mag-dinner, mamasyal?
Why not, diba? Why not?
Binibigyan kayo ng treat.
So why not, diba? Ayoko naman syempre mag-isip na, sige, hindi ko pa siya nasasabihan. So, why not?
Why not? So ano plano mo? Dinner, pasyal, anong gusto mo sa
Ako na, dinner pa siya. Nandun na eh.
Sino share naman yung alam mo sa nagkakalap kung ano doon or
Sa reunion kasi, yung movie focused siya sa barkada. Sa barkada. And pinapakita yung relationship, yung isa-isa na person namin, and how they evolve as diba, from high school to present time. So pinapakita yung journey ng barkadahan. So nandun yung mga twists and turns ng story. So character ko doon, parang ako yung parang I want everything to go my way. Basta ganun muna for now. So ako yung parang, gusto ko ganito ako yung paplano. Okay.
Follow-up lang. Pero your dancing workshop.
Yeah.
Para sa
Kasi nga gusto ko magiging kasi pangarap ko talaga maging dancer sa ASAP. Gusto ko maging, I wanna be dancing in ASAP. And isa yun sa mga pangarap ko. So talagang pag nakita niyo yung performance ko sa talagang ako nagsasabi. Talagang pag nakita niyo yung sayaw namin for Star Magic Tour in Hawaii. Meron kasi kaming limang boys na teleserye dito. First time.
So for the record, ano na yung mga talents? Kasi alam mo,
I'm gonna be, I wanna get into music. Siyempre acting is always gonna be there. And I wanna be a good dancer.
may hindi pa ba alam yung tao? Na
Tatawa kayo sa likod, dapat kayo tumatawa.
may alam pa ba yung mga, may hindi pa ba alam ang fans tungkol sa mga kayang gawin? Siyempre nagbabasa ko. Meron ko pa ba mga tinatawag, hidden talent?
Malalaman na, surprise muna ko. Huwag naman, surprise.
Kumanta ka na rin sa commission mo sa MacDo. Recording album, meron na ba? Meron na bang pinag-usapan?
Hopefully we're working on it right now. Sana po pag sinabi siya, I will let everyone know. Kasi ako excited na ako eh.
Meron na.
There's plans. We're putting. I think they're putting together songs for me pa. Pero ako, and I'm writing. I'm writing songs, continuously writing songs, and siyempre pag nag-release yan, kayo kagad makakaalam na.
Kamusta naman yung recording artist ka mo?
Ako!
Nagsusulat ka?
Yes, a lot. I've been writing a lot this past. Lalo na kung walang, let's say, nasa dating, sa shooting, sa break, talagang, meron lang akong notebook, so I write everything. When I get home,
Recording artist ka mo?
kasi yun marami nakakami sa'yo sa mga videographers or teleserye. Makikita ka ba? Makikita ka ba namin mga times?
hopefully, yung movie nga, hopefully pushes through. Sana mabilis na yung pacing kasi ngayon, shooting and hopefully the one will be start. And the soap, yes, there's gonna be a movie. And sana yung soap mag-start na rin.
Meron na ba? Pwede na magbigay ng hints.
Guys, baka meron kayong
Ay, wala
questions
pa po
na
ako alam. May narinig po ako pero sabi ko, hoping na sana mag-start.
Fantasy ba to? May fantasy.
Ay, hindi ko po alam kung anong story.
They have a question sa mga.
Hi!
Hello.
I hope you remember me. I covered you in the 3 funerals before.
Funerals?
Yeah, and then because of Macdo with the Hooray campaign, I'd like to ask what makes Zian live, stick every day, and what makes you happy?
Excuse me, what makes
What makes
What
you
makes you
happy?
what makes
And what is a summer fun day for Zian Lim?
the summer fun day? My summer is basically in the States. I love traveling. I love going to theme parks. Mga ganun. Parang ganun lang. I love hanging out with my friends during the summer. So yung campaign ng McFloat is perfect kasi it's the idea na parang, di di ba pag summer, you hang out with your friends. So where do you guys hang out? You guys can hang out at McDonald's, you guys can enjoy the in the summer sun. Mag-float, pwede kayo mag-float. It's really refreshing. So that's the concept of it. And if you guys try the mag-float, it will make you happy, di ba? Especially with kasama yung So for me, that's what I would do to make me happy this summer. And mag-float.
Aside from the float, what else is your favorite in McDo?
Chicken McNuggets. Ang dami ko, madami talaga ako kumain ng chicken McNuggets because it's so good. So, and McFlurry. Or yung McFlurry.
Thank you.
So hindi ka ano, any song
This only week we're gonna do this thing. Guys, if you guys try the blueberry or the other
Yes. Okay. Lorenzo.
Yeah, there's time. Hopefully, alam mo, I'm really hoping, especially sa Hawaii, marami namang places to visit sa Hawaii. Siyempre, pagkadating ko ito, maghahanap ka agad ako ng places to go. Yeah, beach. And hopefully in San Francisco, if we get time, sana nga hopefully I can bring them somewhere.
Anong regimen? Kasi parang nakikita ka ng mga tao yung talagang parang pag-walk ka ng
Ay, wow! Ako talaga magsasabi, kasi ganito yan. Diba? Ako magsasabi.
Pwede naman.
How do you take care of your skin or
Just proper diet, exercise. Diba? You eat everything in moderation. If you have time, you work.
how about sa face? Hindi naman yung parang ma-face or whatever.
No.
Kailangan
It's
may mga...
just natural, diba? You just take care of your hygiene.
Yeah. Since marami ka ng projects, you have also a lot of endorsements, especially with McDo. Do you still have time to relax at saka parang to discover something new, lalo na this summer?
Yeah, so of course, syempre, sabi mo relax, di ba? Marami namang time, like right now, it's a good time to get to know, especially yung three groups, yung Cianatics, Team FX, and the KMCs. Ito na yung basically, ito na yung parang relax time na I get to mingle with everyone. Kasi di ba sa Twitter, sa Twitter world, sa Facebook, while I'm at work, sila yung nag-update, sila yung nagpapatrend, di ba? So this is the time to just be calm and ito na. So basically, ito na yun. And yung discover new things, it'll come. Every day, meron naman yung bago eh. Meron kang may isip na, ano kaya?
Okay. Well, since nag-trend din yung Cian Loves McDo.
Number one.
Number one. So,
Number one.
So, feel mo ba na parang pag mag-tweet ka, kaya mo na rin gumawa ng mga trending topics probably in the Philippines and the world
Nung
war?
sinabi sa akin, nung bago ko press launch ng McDo, sabi niya, okay, dapat mag-trending tayo number one. Sabi niya, pressure. Hindi, I wouldn't be, so confident sabihin ko na, pag nag-tweet ako, trending agad. No. It's just na, people are happy sa mga nakikita nila. Diba? They're happy sa commercials. So,
Thank you.
Kasi yun, di ba, you're considered as one of the parang top actors, especially in your generation. Is there a pressure on your part na to always do as good as your biggest project that you've been on? Because you're medyo mata talaga yung and syempre sa mga future projects mo.
Oo, may pressure talaga. May pressure talaga. Ako kasi I enjoy, I want to explore, yung personality, I want to explore different roles. So excited ako. Nandun yung pressure pero at the same time, excited ako to do something different.
Pero how do you keep it up? And how do you keep up with expectations sa mga nakasaya malaki yung expectations? So let's say kasi,
I will do my 100%. Like kasi 110, 150. Mga ganun eh. May ano pa eh, may sobra. So basta gagawin ko yung 100% best ko. I will do my best to make people happy, to inspire people. And sa kanila na po yun.